In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Ace Hardware account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in acehardware.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Ace Hardware. From here you'll be able to shop various products online. So if you want to create the account for yourself, it is actually very simple. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the account icon and you'll be able to see sign in or join written over here. What you have to do is click on this option. Now over here you'll be able to find various options. At second, you'll be able to see this option for create account. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You'll be able to see two types of account, Ace online account, Ace business account. If you want to create the business account, click on this option, select right under the option for Ace business account. If you want to open the Ace online account, click on this option, select right under the option for Ace online account. Now you'll be able to create the account for yourself. All you have to do is provide these details. First of all, what you have to do is enter your email. Click on the field of email and enter the email address over here. Likewise, enter the password. Your password must have minimum of 6 characters. It must include one number and one alphabetic character. You'll also have to provide the details like first name and last name over here. After you do that, also enter the street address, apartment, suite, etc., zip code, city and state. After you do that, scroll down. Provide the phone number over here. Make sure to select the type. You'll be able to find the options like mobile, home, business. Click on the option of your choice and enter the phone number. You can also select the birthday month if you want. If you want to sign up for offers and tips, what you have to do is check on these boxes that you can see on the screen. Check on the first box for the email and check on the second box for the text. Now what you have to do is scroll down. If you want to join Ace Rewards, what you have to do is check on this box. Now after you do that, click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account will be created and you'll automatically be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create Ace Hardware account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.